Pressure mounting on the government, and this certification of aid by the US authorities has come 3 days ago after Coast Guard and Intel agency averted a major terror bid after a Pakistan terror boat was intercepted and neutralized off the Porbandar coast. Now, while the country's security is in question, the political parties are playing politics over the terror boat.
The most important factor, if you ask me why I will classify them under suspected or probable terrorist, is because they committed suicide.
Surprised to see such a statement emanating out of the defense minister. If what the defense minister is saying is correct, then what is the difficulty in making the evidence public? After all, national security is not the exclusive preserve of government. National security is the common concern of each and every citizen of this country. And what is indeed troubling is the arrogance of the BJP, that if somebody raises legitimate questions, they are dubbed as Pakistanis. Does the BJP have the exclusive proprietorship of nationalism in this country? This arrogance is nothing but a manifestation of their complete and total absence from reality. So therefore, rather than tilting at the windmills, rather than reacting as if somebody has stepped on their tail, if what the defense minister is saying is correct, then let the defense minister or the defense ministry put out whatever evidence they have in the public space.
Well, the Congress is demanding more evidence on what exactly happened off the Porbandar post during this operation. We are also getting more reaction from the other Congress leaders. Take a listen.
कोस्ट गार्ड का नहीं है, उसका प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए, देश को पूरी सच्चाई पता चलनी चाहिए। सिर्फ ये कह देना कि वो अपने आप को क्यों उड़ा देते, इस बात का सबूत नहीं है। ये भी एक खबर है कि उसके अंदर स्मगलर्स थे, शराब आ रही थी, शराब के अंदर आसानी के साथ आग लग जाती है, लेकिन इस पे किसी तरीके की राजनीति करना बिल्कुल उचित नहीं है। जिस तरीके की जबान भारतीय जनता पार्टी, कांग्रेस पार्टी के बारे में बोल रही है, ये